Here I have taken half kg chicken cleaned, and we're going to use this for Kerala style pepper chicken. In a pan, take some coconut oil, and once it heats up, add some green chili split. I've taken 1 green chili here. In addition, we're going to add some curry leaves, which adds a rich flavor to the curry. Once it starts sizzling, add 2 medium-sized onions, and that should be cube diced. Saute it, and along with 1 large tomato chopped. So see to it that it becomes translucent, and when it forms almost slightly brown, that is when we add the chicken. At this point, we're gonna add the chicken pieces and we'll merge it with the flavors. Now I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons tomato sauce. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons chicken masala. And in addition, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of pepper. Pepper is the major ingredient here. And I'm gonna add half teaspoon garlic powder. Merge the seasonings well with the chicken. See that it's all coated very well. And then after that, close the lid and cook it for at least 10 to 12 minutes. And wherein the water will come from the chicken itself, you don't have to add additional water. And then finally garnish it with a bit of curry leaves. And then you can also add towards the last stage of cooking, you can add half cup of coconut milk, which adds a very rich flavor to the curry. Simmer this for about 3 to 4 minutes, and wherein all the flavors will combine together well. There you have your absolutely delicious Kerala style pepper chicken curry. It complements very well with rice, naan or chapati. So definitely try it at home and then let me know your feedback through the comments. Subscribe to my channel for new updates and latest recipes. Thank you for watching the video.